Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutiara Islamika, and in here I will tell you about my analysis of the article with the title is 11 things you should know about Indonesian culture. And you should know of Indonesian. Number 1 is there's no such thing as an Indonesian culture. 2. Families are as close as they come. 3. Religious commitment come first. And 4. There are 6 religions of Indonesia. And 5. 100 of traditional belief system. 6. Indonesian are collective. 7. Indonesian love spicy and savory food. And 8. Every place has a legend. And 9. Indonesian celebrate everything. And Indonesian are traditional. And the last, Indonesian love making and performing arts. And the content of my analysis as tradition, noble values, and local wisdom that are shared and lived for generations by a certain community group within a group. Culture can be interpreted as a collective identity of nation. Indonesia as an archipelagic country is a nation state that has the wealth and cultural diversity of the archipelago, which is a special attraction in the eyes of the world. This should be used as a capital to improve the image of nation in the eyes of the world, as well as the fundamental values that work by communicating unity. As we know, as a nation state, Indonesia has a noble values that are unique and enriched in society, such as mutual cooperation, mutual help, friendly, tolerant, polite, and caring with others. That noble value were eventually used as a reference to form the state ideology, namely Pancasila, which was generally built on noble value that had been rooted and entrenched in society long before Indonesia became an unified state. We can give the example of South Korea and Japan, which even though they have become modern and economically developed countries, these countries are still able to maintain their culture as identity without worrying about being dominated by foreign cultures. Therefore, in the current contemporary context, innovation for cultural promotion needs to be carried out to emphasize the nation identity in the eyes of the world. As a nation that has cultural diversity and richness, in addition, building national character can be done by collaborating with noble values that have become the characteristic of the nation personality, such as friendly and polite, like the work together, compassionate, tolerant, and cares about others, and likes to help with the character of modern society that has working, diligent, creative, and innovative nature. In conclusion, the effort, strategies, and solid cooperation are needed from various parties in relation to archipelago and the noble values that can be built to build the nation character and moral. It cannot be denied that culture is one of the non-central aspects of a nation because a culture, identity, and identity of nation can be realized. Not only that, the preservation and promotion of culture can provide many positive impacts for a country because many countries have adopted tradition, narrative, and other culture elements to strengthen their economy by developing the tourism industry in this sector. Potentially, Indonesia has this capital, but all of them will support collaboration and commitment from various parties to better manage, develop, and promote Indonesian culture. The entry Western culture into Indonesia through technology, culture, and society, or from habits. The rapid development of the current era of globalization is increasingly pressing the process of cultural acculturation, especially the influence of Western culture. The presence of Western culture seems to dominate and always be the center of society. The habits and lifestyle of Western people seem to be a modern mirror. The presence of Western culture seems to dominate and has always been the center of society. This situation continues to erode the culture and local wisdom, which is the heritage of the archipelago. From here, traditional values are slowing because from here, traditional values are slowly becoming extinct because they are unable to compete with modern culture in the form of social interaction. It is easier for foreigners to understand Indonesian culture than Indonesians themselves. Foreigners prefer to read and their curiosity is higher. I think that enough for my explanation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.